Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Roblox memory dump error, and this one is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to the search bar and then type Roblox, go to Roblox player and make sure that you tap this open file location. Okay, so go to open file location and then here you have to look for Roblox player again, right click, and then go to properties. Once you click properties, you will see options here, but what you want to do is to simply look for compatibility. So tap this one here, and then you have to look for compatibility mode and run this to whatever Windows that you're using, for example, Windows 8. Now click disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click apply and then click OK, and then open your Roblox again. Now, if the issue or the problem still occurs, what you want to do next is go to the search bar and then type person symbol, app data person symbol, and then you have to click open. Here, what you want to do is to locate this app data, tap this one, and then click a local folder. Now, under local folder, what you want to do next is to look for a Roblox. Okay, tap local here and then type R or look for Roblox. And what you want to do next is to simply delete this folder. Don't worry, these are just temporary files. So, whatever status or activities you have right now on your Roblox, it will not be deleted or it will not affect anything here. And then after doing this, you have to restart your computer. And then once you open it, go back to Roblox and see if these methods work. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.